Welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the INIU P50 E1, a 10,000 milliamp hour battery that is very, very small. It is about the size of a credit card or my KFC loyalty card here, and it only costs about $33 US. So let's unbox this thing and see what we got. Alright, so first we are going to open this up like so and see what we have in the box. So I'm going to put that aside, and here we have a card, user manual, useless, well not useless, but we have the actual battery pack, and it has a little lanyard, so there we go. Okay, and nothing else inside the box. Take this out and let's take a look at this itself. All right, first of all, this thing is incredibly tiny. I gotta say, technology has come very, very far. So this is an old Insignia 8,000 milliamp hour battery that I use to plug in my VR headset. This is a brand new, I just bought this 10,000 milliamp hour battery that I bought for actually $10 from Canadian Tire. And it's a little bit bigger than this. And this is my 15,000 milliamp hour battery from Blitzwolf. Fairly old, but very big. Just look at the size comparison here. So I'm going to move this over there like this, and look at that. Size-wise, it is almost twice, it's actually twice the size of this Blitzwolf. And you look at the thickness, and it's not much thicker either. So very, very impressive how this thing is so tiny. The other thing as well is if you compare this to a credit card, like so, you'll see that it's actually slightly smaller than the footprint of a credit card, which is very, very impressive. So size-wise, very, very satisfied. This thing is absolutely tiny, and the build is pretty good. Like, as you touch it, it is rubber, so it should take quite a beating. You have your logo here. Fast charge, this thing is 45 watts of fast charging. You have a screen here, so if you press this button, it'll show you the percentage of the battery that you currently have. You have a power button over here. You have a couple of things here. So basically, this thing is able to charge at 45 watts. And you can actually see the rates of charging over here. You can actually charge in at 15 watts or 18 watts or about 20 watts. And then charging out, you can go all the way up to 45 watts based on the amperage and the voltage that you currently have. And on this side, you have 2 ins, 2 outs, and an extra USB out as well. And then here, there is the lanyard. So I am quite curious how this works. So I actually don't know how to remove this. Do I squeeze it? Do I pull it? Do I... yeah, I don't know how to remove this. Do I just pull it? No. So apparently, I just do this, and I pull both of it out. Why is this? Oh no, I just do it like this. So I don't pull it out, I pull it up. I gotta say, I don't know how this cable might be easy to lose. I gotta be honest. Like, if you do that and you just like, you could actually lose it. So I don't know how secure this is, but we'll see. Also, this thing is currently 18 watts, and then we've got 245 watts over there. So, okay, let's charge this and see what we got. So this is my ArtPad Pro from TechLast, a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. So let's see how fast we can charge this here. So right now it's at super speed charging, and you can see that there is the icon here as well. Alright, so I was able to fast charge this on a couple of devices, 45 watts. The only thing that I really cannot fast charge is a laptop, which, for example, on my Lenovo laptops, it requires about a 65 watts charger to fast charge at full speed. So 45 watts will charge it pretty fast, but not super duper fast. This thing will charge my Pixel 9 about two chargers in a little bit, because this is about a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, so it'll charge that. And then I have my Tech Class ArtPad Pro, which is so massive, and this will be charged exactly one time because it has a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. And of course, my other laptops, for example, you can't charge it a full charge because it's also I think it's 12,000 milliamp hour battery. But otherwise, I am very satisfied with this. This is a very well thought out, well designed battery pack. It has a nice LCD screen here. It's made of rubber. It has a handy cable that doubles as a lanyard, although I'm not sure how secure it's going to be. It charges quite fast at 45 watts. It's tiny, and it charges pretty fast as well. So overall, very happy with this. This thing cost about $33 US, not on sale, or about $45 Canadian. So let me know what you think about this. Check it out in the link in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.